Hold your left palm out in front of you in a receiving position. Imagine that energy is coming down from the universe, entering your left palm, traveling up your left arm and into your heart. Now lower your left arm, raising your right arm, palm facing out in a giving position. Imagine that energy is traveling up out of your heart into your right arm, through the palm, and then back out into the universe. And lower your right arm. And now let's complete the circuit of giving and receiving. Hold your left hand out in a receiving position. Your right arm up in the giving position. And imagine energy coming down from above, entering your left palm, traveling up the left arm into the heart, and then from the heart into the right arm, up and out of the right palm, back out into the universe.